Привіт-привіт, my dear Ukrainian language lovers. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson, I'm going to teach you the most common Ukrainian explanations, українські вигуки. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave your comments below. What is your favorite Ukrainian explanation? So let's get it started. Поїхали! So the first one is ahov. Ahov is used to call someone, attract attention, often when names are unknown. For example, ahov, ви мене чуєте? Hello, can you hear me? Or ahov is very similar to Ukrainian explanation hey. Yes, hey can be translated as gay when we talk about sexual orientation. But hey is translated like hey in Ukrainian. For example, hey, що ви там робите? Hey, what are you doing there? Okay, let's continue. The next one is ова. Ова means like wow in Ukrainian language. Is used to express surprise, doubts, or irony. For example, ова, і Марія тут. Wow, and Maria is here. Or ова, так я тобі і розкажу все. Okay, I will tell you everything. Yeah, it's like sarcastic a little bit. The next one is ого. Ого is used to show expression, surprise or astonishment. For example, ого, у тебе багато друзів. Wow, you have many friends. Or ого, це просто чудово. Wow, it is just wonderful. Let's continue. Ой. Ой is used to express mild apology, surprise or dismay. For example, ой, я не хотіла. Oops, I didn't want that. Or ой, я не знав, що ти будеш сьогодні. I didn't know you would be here today. Also, ой is a very popular Ukrainian вигук, так? That is used in many Ukrainian songs, poems. For example, ой, у лузі червона калина похилилася. You know this song a lot, so it starts with the ой, ой. Okay, let's continue. Ура! Ура! Ura means like hooray! This explanation is used to express joy, approval, or encouragement. Hip hip, ura! Like hip hip, hooray! Ura! Another example. Ура! Мене взяли на роботу. Hooray! I've got a job. Okay. Слава Богу! Слава Богу. Thank God. Something you say when you are happy because something bad did not happen. Слава Богу, ти повернулася. Слава Богу, ти повернулася. Thank God you're back. О Боже! Oh my God! О Боже! Is used to express disbelief, frustration, excitement or anger. О Боже, як ти міг це зробити? Як ти міг це зробити? Oh my God, how could you do it? Or о Боже, що ж тепер буде? Oh my God, what will happen? Нічого собі? Нічого собі is used to express surprise, interest or amazement. Нічого собі, які гарні квіти. Wow, what the beautiful flowers. Нічого собі, у тебе буде двійня? Нічого собі, у тебе буде двійня? Wow, you are going to have twins. Ох is used to express sorrow, dissatisfaction, reproach, physical pain, suffering, relief, and fright. For example, ох, як важко це зробити. Ох, як важко це зробити. Oh, that sounds difficult. Another one, фу, ick, yes, is used to express dislike or even disgust. Фу, що це за сморід? Ew, what is the smell? Фу. Or, фух, все минулось. Phew, it is over. The next one, ням-ням. Ням-ням is used to express that something tastes very good. Як смачно, ням-ням. So tasty, yummy, yummy. Okay. The sound we make calling for a cat. I know that in America you say kitty, 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 kitty. Is it true? But in Ukraine we call our cats like Another one is kish, kish. The explanation is used when we ask animals to go away. Kish, 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 йди звідси. Shoo, go away from here. Okay. Отакої. Отакої, when something negative happened, especially unexpected. These explanations are used. Отакої, як це могло статися? Oh no, how could it happen? So we say дідько or не може бути when something surprising or unexpected happen. It's like no way. Не може бути. Ви нарешті прийшли. No way, you finally came. So guys, thank you for your attention. I hope this new vocabulary was very, very useful for you. Please let me know in the comments below what are the useful expressions you would like to learn, and I will record a new video lesson for you. And also, if you want to expand your vocabulary, you can check out my website speaky.com, where you can find a lot of useful learning materials, flashcards, textbooks. Also, you can sign up for a trial lesson. It costs only $1. Subscribe to my course From Absolute Beginner to a Confident Speaker. Please support me. Check out my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you so much for supporting also my charity store. Buy t-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. You can see this beautiful t-shirt, and this print is from it. Thank you for helping my people from Kherson. Дуже дякую. Побачимось скоро. See you soon and па-па. Bye-bye.